Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to our Treasure Lee YouTube channel. If you don't know, Treasure Lee is a monthly kit club, and every month we do this video reveal to show you our kits. We provide 3 kits, a scrapbook kit, a card kit, and a mixed media kit. We also do our own laser cut chipboard, and all that can be found on our website at www.treasureleekits.com. Today what I've got for you is the May kit reveal. And before we get into that, I just want you to make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. That way you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. And with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get into our kits. First up, we have our scrapbook kit. Our scrapbook kit retails for $52. That does include your shipping. And once you are a subscriber, your kits ship out before the first of the month, so you will have it within the first week of the month. If you are seeing this, and I'm sorry I did say May kits, these are our June kits. So if you are seeing this, that means that our kits have already revealed, and you can head on over again to the website www.treasureleekits.com and check out what's available. If you don't want to miss out, make sure that you subscribe over there. So first up, we're going to talk about the chipboard that's in the kit. This is one of our own designs. This is a flower border. It's made with our chipboard, nice and sturdy. You can find this chipboard piece on the website as well. It's under chipboard, and this is either under borders or it's under nature, but it can be found on the website and can be purchased separately. Next up, we've got some flowers. We love flowers in our kits, so we've got some a mix of flowers here. First pack are these fun iridescent shiny type flowers. There's 12 pieces in the pack. Next up, you've got another pack of flowers, and you've got 12 pieces in there as well. And then you've got some really fun bigger flowers. There's 3 in here, and all of these coordinate really well with the kits, so this is just giving you an idea of what colors are in the kits. Next up, you've got this pack of creative cuts or ephemera, and does it say how many pieces are in here? Let's see. It does not say, but these are from Uniquely Creative, and they are from Australia. And that's the one good thing about our kits. We like to include papers that you don't typically find or kind of hard to get. Basically, we do a lot of international papers, and hopefully we'll be able to keep that up. But you get all these pieces in your kit. And this is from their line called While Away. And these coordinate with the kit. And next up, let's talk about these papers, because these papers are beautiful. First, you're going to have this sheet. Don't toss it out, because you've got some more cutouts on the back of the sheet that you can use for your layouts or for cards or whatever you do with this kit. Now let's talk about the paper. This is beautifully designed, nice weight paper. It takes mediums well, and let's look at these designs. Look at how pretty and springy this is. This, even though it's kind of springy, the colors, you can go masculine or feminine on this. This reminds me of the cherry blossoms that are in bloom right now. Back side. Look at all the wonderful texture on this. So like I said, you can go masculine or feminine on this. And then you get another sheet of ephemera that you can cut out. This is the back side, but don't fret about cutting up your good paper. And this is the last sheet, and you've got some cutouts on the back side of this, but you get 2 sheets in each pack. So if you want to cut this side but you still want to use this side, you don't have to worry about it, because you've got 2 sheets in each page, in each package. So that is a lot of fun. And this has been our scrapbook kit, and like I said, their scrapbook kit retails for $52, and it can be found on the website at www.treasureleekits.com. So here we are, 2 sets of paper and all our embellishments. Next up, we're going to have our cards, tags, and more kit. So we'll be right back with that. Don't go anywhere. Okay, for our cards, tags, and more kit, we've got a lot going on here. So we're gonna start with some embellishments first. You're gonna have these fun chipboard fairies, and there's a set of 3, and these can be found on the website as well. I believe these might be under kids. Next up, you're going to have another pack of creative cuts. These are super fun and cute. They coordinate with the paper for the kit. You're going to have a small pack of iridescent jewels, which are really nice for cards. You're going to have some ribbon. You're also going to have a pack of flowers. And then you're going to have these little cutout sentiments. And then you're also going to have a pack of A6 cards and envelopes. So you're going to have both, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cards and envelopes. And you're also going to have this collection pack of paper, and there's 32 sheets in here of your paper, and it's single-sided because we're making cards, but you've got some really fun designs in here, and I believe there are multiples in here of each one. So yeah, you've got, oh no, we're still going with designs. Those aren't the same yet. You see that? Lights are a little bright. So you've got 16 designs and 2 of each is what you've got. You've got some little cutouts here. And then you've got some more cutouts. That. And again, some more cutouts. And then this is your second set of papers. So you've got 32 sheets, you've got 16 designs, they're all single-sided. And that is your collection pack of paper that's in the kit. And you're also going to get this slimline fold-out album that coordinates with everything. And we're going to take this out. And the way you do it is you fold it out. You don't see any pages, and so what you're using is these backgrounds are going to be your pages, and so when you fold it back up, and it doesn't lay flat, so it gives you room if you want to add some dimension to your pages. You just open it up and create on each section. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections to create on. And then if you want, you can also go ahead and decorate your front and back cover. And you've got a cute little fold-out album that you can give as a gift or you can keep. But how nice would this be for a graduation gift? So this has been our Cards, Tags, and More kit. And this kit retails for $42. And it's found on our website at www.trejoliekits.com. Next up, we are going to have, oh, and I'm sorry, I forgot. And in the card kit, you're also going to get this fold out with some ideas on how to create cards with this kit. So that's what you're going to get. And like I said, this kit retails for $42. Next up, we're going to have our mixed media kit. Okay, our mixed media kit is our third kit, and it is a standalone kit. Like I said, you can subscribe to one kit, all 3 kits, or any combination of kits. But our mixed media kit is a standalone kit itself. What we like to do is give you some mediums and then give you a little project so that once you get this kit, you can open it up and get to work. So let's get into the mediums. First off, we've got some acrylic paint from Stamperia in the shade Raspberry. And then we've got some aqua color mist also from Stamperia. And I believe this is a flat mist. It does not have any shimmer in it. And this is in the color Old Rose. And then you've got here, this is typically a re-inker for ink pads, but you can also use this alone. So make sure that you are subscribed. Hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to like and comment. But when you subscribe, you will get updates as to when we post another video, and we will be doing tutorials using all of these. Now for your project, you've got this little 6-inch round canvas. You've got this pack of flowers that kind of coordinates with the colors. You've got this fun little stencil. And you've also got some decoupage papers. So you've got quite a bit in here for projects. I'm going to go ahead and open these so you can see what decoupage papers that you have in here. And they're really pretty. Kind of old worldish type. Coordinates with the colors of your mist and of your acrylic paint, and it's kind of those vintagey kind of colors. And then, oh, I didn't tell you, your re-inker is in the color Root Beer, so you got a nice brown there as well for some antiquing. But here are the decoupage papers that you get. You get 2 sheets of this really pretty rose, and then you got 2 sheets of this pretty rose with the cherubs on it. You've got your roses on the edges and your cherubs. And so these are the papers that you get, your decoupage papers, all your embellishments in mediums in our mixed media kit. This kit retails for $47, and you can find it on our website at www.trejoliekits.com. So this has been Kim. Thank you for stopping by. And again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and we'll see you in the next time. Bye.